What if I told you? You might be paying for a VPN that's slower, weaker, and less private than you think. In a world where data leaks, tracking, and geo restrictions are everywhere, choosing the wrong VPN doesn't just waste your money, it risks your privacy. But today, we're putting one popular name under the microscope. Is Windscribe actually worth it in 2026? Or is it just another overhyped VPN? Windscribe claims to offer strong encryption, a generous free plan, streaming support, ad and tracker blocking, and strict no-logs privacy. Sounds impressive, right? But here's the real question. Does it actually perform well in real-world usage? Can it unblock Netflix? Is it fast enough for gaming? And most importantly, can you trust it with your data? In this detailed Windscribe VPN review, I'm going to test speed, performance, streaming capability, security and encryption privacy policies, real-world usability, pricing, and value for money. And by the end of this video, you'll know whether Windscribe is the right VPN for you or if you should avoid it. So make sure you watch till the end, because some of the results might actually surprise you. Let's get started.
First, let's understand what Windscribe actually is. Windscribe is a privacy-focused VPN service that was launched in 2016 and the company is based in Canada. And it has become a popular because of its strong free plan and powerful privacy features. Windscribe is not just a basic VPN, it's offer a AES 256 encryption, firewall kill switch, ad and tracker blocker, secure hotspot support, browser extensions, and even custom VPN configurations. It was on Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and Chrome extension, and also you can install it in Fire TV. One of the biggest advantages, you can use it unlimited device with one account. That's huge benefit compared to many other VPNs. Now let's talk about performance. Speed is a very important. A VPN that slow your internet too much is simply not worth using. In my testing, near servers gave very good speed. Streaming in HD and even in 4K worked smoothly. Browsing felt fast and stable. Gaming was playable on nearby servers. However, long distance servers can reduce speed slightly. This is normal for almost every VPN. Overall, Windscribe delivers solid performance for daily use. It may not be the absolute fastest VPN in the world, but for most users, the speed is more than enough. Now the biggest question, can Windscribe unblock a streaming platform? The answer is yes, but with some limitation. Windscribe can unblock Netflix, YouTube geo-restricted content, BBC iPlayer, Disney Plus in selected regions. However, not all servers works for streaming. You may need to try different location. If streaming is your main priority, Windscribe works, but it may not be as consistent as some premium-only competitors. Still, for the price, especially free users, it performs surprisingly well. Security and privacy features. Security is where Windscribe really shines. Here's what you get: AES 256 encryption, military grade, secure VPN protocols like OpenVPN, IKEV2, and WireGuard, firewall, split tunneling, and DNS leak protection. The firewall features is very strong. If your VPN connection drops, your internet is automatically blocked. That means your real IP addresses stay protected. Now let's talk about privacy. Windscribe claim to follow a strict no-log policy. That means they do not store browsing history, IP logs, connection timestamps. However, since the company is based in Canada, which is part of a Five Eye intelligence alliance, some users may have privacy concerns. But so far, there have been no major privacy scandals connection to Windscribe. So now let's go to the pricing plan. Windscribe offer a real free plan. With the free version, you get 10 GB monthly data if you confirm your email, access to limited server location, strong encryption, and basic privacy protection. This is one of the best free VPN plans available. But remember, 10 GB is not enough for heavy streaming. And second is a monthly plan. You can see the pricing of this plan. This is $9 per month. You get unlimited data, all servers location, streaming support, and full access unlimited device. This is good if you want short-term use. And you can see yearly plan. The yearly plan is much cheaper per month. It usually costs around $69 per year, which brings the price down to about $5.75 per month. This is best value option. Fourth, build a plan option. This is something very special. Windscribe allow you to create a custom plan. You can choose a specific server location and pay only for what you need. Each location costs around $1 per month and you need at least a $3 minimum. This is perfect for users who only need 1 and 2 countries. Very flexible, very smart pricing model. So guys, let's move on pros and cons. First pros, excellent free plan, unlimited devices, strong security features, ad and malware blocking, flexible custom pricing, and easy to use app. So let's see cons. Based in Canada, privacy concern for some users, streaming not always consistent, interface may look slightly technical for the beginners. So guys, who should use Windscribe? Windscribe perfect for beginner who want a free VPN, user with multiple devices, budget users, people who want a custom pricing, and casual streaming and browsing users. If you are a hardcore streamer or a competitive gamer, you may want to compare with other premium options. So, is Windscribe worth it? Yes, especially if you want a strong free VPN, affordable long-term pricing, unlimited device support, and a solid privacy features. It's not perfect, but for the price, features, and flexibility, Windscribe is a very strong competitor in VPN market. If you want to test it, you can start with a free plan and upgrade later, and that makes it low risk option. So guys, if you find this video helpful, so like, subscribe, and share these videos to your friends, and stay tuned.